Not getting the right candidate. Stop using the wrong JD. सब बिजनेस ओनर्स बोलते हैं हमें राइट कैंडिडेट नहीं मिलता. राइट कैंडिडेट मिलता है तो हमारा काम नहीं होता. हमारा काम होता है तो आदमी टिकता नहीं है. ये सारे इश्यूज तब आते हैं जब आपका हायरिंग प्रोसेस सही नहीं है. All business face the issues of manpower, but businesses do not think about creating the right hiring process. क्या आप बैठे हैं और आपने अपना कंस्ट्रक्टिवली ऑब्जेक्टिवली हायरिंग प्रोसेस बनाया है? हायरिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट्स with creating the right JD for you. While you are creating the process of hiring in your company, you need to treat it as a sales funnel. This is nothing but a sales funnel where you are attracting a lot of clients, you are attracting a lot of leads. Finally, you are depleting or eliminating the people or the leads that you don't want, and you are finally getting a yes from one person. While you are creating a sales funnel for your hiring process, you need to create the right magnet on the top so that you attract a quantity of good leads. That exact magnet on the top is called JD for job posting. By job posting के मतलब से लोग ये समझते हैं कि job posting एक वो डॉक्यूमेंट हुआ जहां पर हम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज लिखेंगे, KRA KPIs लिखेंगे एंड टारगेट्स लिखेंगे. That is called a job description document, but for the hiring process this is called a JD for job posting, and a JD for job posting is completely different from your regular job description. Let's understand today कि JD for job posting कैसे बनाया जाता है.
Hi, so this is how the JD for job posting is made. So the document should have a heading called looking for immediate joiners. This is a very important line where if people read that they are actually looking for people who are joining immediately. So there is a kind of a filtration that happens, and people who are just looking for or people who are just exploring, they get filtered out. Second thing that you should write is looking urgent opening for the role of the exact designation that you're searching for. So here we are looking for an administrative assistant. Specifically, our requirement for this administrative is a person who's a married female, so it's looking like that. Then you should write 3 to 4 lines about the company. So people, when they look to join companies, they do not only look for the designation that they are being offered, they also look at the growth of the company. They also want to understand the environment that they're about to get into. So we should definitely write something nice about the company. What all has it been able to achieve, and what are the future goals and aims. Just a summary, 3 to 4 lines is good enough. If you can give a website link, then that's a great add-on, because if the people get to understand and get to know about the company through a website, then it a little gives them a sense of relief that yes, they are going into the right environment. Then comes the most important part, which is about the job responsibilities. So what exactly do you expect the team members to do? That is something that you should write about. So here, as the example that we are taking is administrative assistant, the responsibilities that we have written are: act as the point of contact among the directors and the company, managing information flow in a timely and accurate manner, managing director's calendar and set up meetings, make travel accommodations and arrangements, oversee the performance of other employees. These are a few job responsibilities of the administrative assistant. Then we write about the key skills. What are the different skills that we are searching for from that specific candidate? Excellent follow-up skills. Graduate is like a must, should be soft-spoken. So what exactly skills are you looking for in that specific candidate? You can mention here. Then comes a job type. So job type is a little, it's funny, but yes, you do have to mention this, that what are you looking for, a part-time person or are you looking for a full-time person? Then comes the salary. So what is the team member who's going to come to your organization? What do they expect? They expect a remuneration. So what is the kind of remuneration are you willing to shell out for that specific candidate? That is something that you should mention here. The range that you can mention here is like 23 to 25,000 or 45 to 50,000, whatever your range is, or 90 to 1 lakh, what is it? But the ideal difference between the range should be 10%. It should not be like we are looking for somebody who's between the range of 50,000 to 1 lakh. That gives a sign of confusion. Ideally, it should not be like that. Then you should also talk about the perks and benefits. We've written a few benefits here, a typical example of a few benefits, but then you should write about your specific benefits. Then you should also say that if people are coming from other cities, then 100% they should relocate to this specific city so that it's easier for them to work. Then comes the experience. What is the minimum experience that you're looking for in that specific candidate? So what we've written is a minimum 1 year of work experience as an administrative assistant, executive assistant, or a personal assistant. So this is something that you can say, and this will help you get people from similar industry. And you can also give an extra thing, which is like if people are interested, if the candidates are interested, they can share their CVs directly at this email ID. Now, if people are extremely, if you come across people who are go-getters, then yes, they will not just apply it through that specific platform that you're holding them to. They will also be willing to share the email IDs, share their CVs on the specific email ID. So apart from this, in this video, the format that I have shared, I will be attaching a link of the document, this specific format, and I will also attach a link of a sample document. So you can refer these two to make your own JD for job posting.
So business owners, hiring का issue candidate का नहीं है, hiring का issue message positioning का है. So if you want to attract the right talent, then get the right message and make the JD for job posting in the right manner. JD for job posting सिर्फ फाइल भरने के लिए मत बनाइए, बट मार्केट में सही टैलेंट को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए बनाइए. So if you want to make your hiring process stronger, then comment hiring in the comment section, or you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. The link is shared with you below.
KD.
Hi, if you like our content, then do hit the like button. Do share it with somebody who would benefit from watching this video. Do let us know what you think about our content. It will give us an opportunity to improve. If you're a business owner and you would like to have a one-to-one with me, then there is a link in the description. Go for it. Thank you for watching.